Okay, everybody say hi. Hey. Where are we?
Kansas City.
Kansas City. Okay, guess what? We got Miss Eco Kansas with us posing, and we're using the killer video light. Of course, you could spend a lot more for less quality light, but this is so easy through the umbrella, and we're using that in the background. Now it looks small, but if you use a long lens, like an 85 millimeter, you're gonna get some great lights behind it. That's his, and here's mine.
Bigger workout than Zumba.
Look at that. Look how beautiful that is.
Oh, I like that.
Show that. Okay, check that out. Check mine out.
Yeah.
Good? Ooh, look at that. I like that.
Cool.
Boom.
Booyah.
Booyah.
Anybody else have one they want to see? Good. All right. So anyways. Good.
Go a little bit
And we're
higher.
signing out.